Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Surastwa, your founder of Online Study for You. There is a big news which is coming here from Infosys currently. Infosys has announced a result for specialist and digital specialist programmer role. The exam has been conducted on August 1st, 2026. Selected student also has got the email for booking the location preference for the second stage, and rejected student also has got the result that you are not selected for the next stage of selection process. So this exam was conducted for 2025 and 2026 batch. I will give you the complete information, and those who have not received the mail, what they have to do, that also I'll tell you. Okay, so let me tell you friends, around 1st August, 2nd August, right, Infosys has conducted the exam for SP and DSE role. The minimum package here is 6.25 LPA and the maximum package is 21 lakhs per annum, right? This was part of off campus. Now, if you will see, the result has been announced. So, dear candidate, warm greetings from the Infosys. Thank you for your participation in our round one virtual assessment for a specialist programmer trainee role and digital specialist engineer conducted on 1st of August 2026. We regret to inform you that your candidature has not been shortlisted for the next stage of the selection process. We appreciate your interest in Infosys and thank you for considering. So this is for the rejected candidate, and for the selected candidate also I'll tell you. Now, selected candidates, right? So this is one of the results from one of our student. Okay, so dear candidates, warm greeting from Infosys. As part of the next stage of evaluation process, we are planning as in-person coding assessment in a proctored environment and would appreciate your confirmation of availability. Please use the link below to indicate your preference. Available assessment date 5th of September 2026 or 6th of September 2026. Kindly pick one of the dates, right? And select your location using the form. So form link is given here. We request you to submit your preferences by 28th of August, so another 3 days you have. Please note that while we will make every effort to accommodate your choice, final scheduling will be based on the seat availability and operational requirement. Okay, so if you have not received any email, I'll tell you. But friends, before that, I just wanted to tell you, right? See, the next exams which you have on 5th and 6th of September, right? See, many of the student, they did not believe when we created this course specifically for Infosys SP and DSE role. And moreover, friends, so the one who has got selected, they said, sir, this DSA white book, they were very, very useful. Okay, and anyway, so DSA using Java, C++, Python, all three were there, and then 37 live classes we did. Okay, and the previous year problem, whatever the questions were asked, right? So we have created a course only. So Infosys SP and DSE free preparation, that is only previous year or one short questions are there, right? So these two combinations will definitely help you to even clear second round also. Here you see, so from these trees, and also today's questions was asked from the DP as well, right? So Infosys SP and DSE questions asked, August asked questions, one short videos. Okay, Infosys latest SP and DSE questions. Okay, then 1st of August, so and then SP and DSE one short, SP and DSE 17th of May. So everything we have covered for you. So this course alone is going to help you even for your in person, right? Because the videos whatever is done here, this will be also the live classes alone if you watch. Okay, and this white book, then you are in. I know you will be thinking that sir is selling the course. No, sir is selling the hopes. Okay, sir wanted you to get placed. That is the only reason. I know, even 500 rupees, what will you get today? Not, if you go to a average restaurant, in 500 rupees 2 persons cannot eat nowadays. Okay, one beer price is only some 300 rupees. So forget about that. And in that much we are providing you, right, uh job, I will not say a job, but a very good job material. So get it today itself, don't delay, don't regret later. I know, see, the one who got rejected today, definitely what they will be thinking, they might have got the course, they would have also cleared. But anyway, it's up to you to decide. Okay, now those who have not received the email, so friends, let me tell you very clearly. So rejection mail, not everyone will get. So let's suppose 100 students, let's suppose 100 students are rejected. Let's suppose 100 students are let's suppose 100 students are rejected. Correct? Okay. Now, so hardly one or two will be getting the rejection mail. The rejection mail. So that is the truth of all rejections mail. Okay. Now, if we'll talk about selection mail, right? So if you have not received any selection or rejection mail, then please wait for another 1 week. Okay. Then you will be getting the update, because many a times this results will be sent in phases, right? So when it is sent in phases, then you need to wait. So maybe first phase they would have already sent on, the exams is going to happen on 1st and 6th of September. Second, they might send like, okay, 15th of September or 16th of September. So you need to wait for another 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, so don't declare yourself as rejected if you have not received any email, because I have seen many of the YouTube channel, they will demotivate a student. If you have not received any email, then you are rejected. Somebody would have done, right? So 2 questions, somebody would have done 3 questions, right? So all those things you would have done. And I'll tell you, so out of 3 questions, no, if you have done around 1.5 plus, then trust me, you will be getting this, I mean medium and difficult. So medium and difficult, if you have done 1.5 plus, right, then you will be definitely getting the email for the second rounds, right? The test was proctor test, so lot of factors matters here. But anyway, let's wait and watch. All the very very best. Okay, so watch this free series. If you think, right, that भाई मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, I cannot afford 500 rupees also, go for the free series. And if you have, then don't regret later, get it today itself. That's all in one word. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.